So taking the shade Spooky from the Gem Shells palette, I'm going to apply that into and above my crease. Then I'm going to go into shade Daddy, also from the Gem Shells palette, and I'm going to use that to blend out Spooky, and I'm kind of winging it out a bit. I'm just going back and forth with Spooky and Daddy to ensure that I have a perfect blend of the two. Then I'm going to go into shade Social Blade, also from the Gem Shells palette, and just blend out Daddy. So now I'm going in with the yellow shade from the 35B, and I'm applying that on the inner part of my cut crease, and I just did a half cut crease for this look. And then I'm going to go into shade You're Kidding, that's the red shade from the Gem Shells palette, and apply that onto my crease. I'm just going back and forth with the yellow and the red to ensure that they're blended perfectly together. Also going back in with a bit of Spooky and just ensuring that I have a seamless blend between all the colors. So I'm just going in with my e.l.f. cream liner and an angled brush, and I'm just going to do a quick liner. I'm not going to wing it out, I'm just going to bring it out to the edge of where You're Kidding is. And then I'm gonna set it with a bit of Spooky because it does dry down, but it has a bit of a shiny look to it, and I want it to be matte. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with a yellow shimmer shade from the 35B. Moving on to the face, I'm using my Milani 2-in-1 foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Toffee, that's number 14. I already primed my face, and I'm just going to blend that out with a foundation brush. To highlight, I'm going to go in with LA Girl Concealer in shade Toffee and contour with the shade Mahogany, and I'm going to blend this out with a stippling brush. I'm just going to set my face with some Sacha Buttercup powder and a damp sponge. Just going to put that where I applied my concealer. For blush, I'm actually using the orange shade from the Gem Shells palette. And I'm bronzing with the brown shade from my Zulu palette. I'm going to highlight with a bit of Face from the Gem Shells palette. And for my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Shockwave liner in Blackout, and I'm going to line my waterline with this. And I'm kind of being very careful because I'm clumsy, and I'm going to use a bit of Spooky on that as well. Then I'm going to blend that out with shade Daddy on a small brush. And then go into shade Social Blade and blend that out as well. I'm gonna dust away the bake, and I like to go back over with my foundation brush just to ensure that everything is blended together seamlessly. So I'm gonna line my lips with some brown liner. And then I'm gonna go in with shade Chocolate from Milani Cosmetics in their Velvet Matte liquid lipsticks. And then I'm gonna use a little bit of shade Angel Pink in the center.